Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we are here with my first wig. I've always wanted to try out their wigs, and finally y'all, I don't regret a damn thing. So this is their Janet Indian Remy hair asymmetrical bob lace front wig, y'all. She is 14 inches and the texture is mad silky. Like, she's not just silky honey, she's mad silky. She's 100% human hair, beginner friendly, ready to go, super realistic look, and the skin melts invisible lace is off the chain. So for this unboxing, the very first thing that I'm going to show y'all is this little scarf that you can, you know, hold down your edges, your baby hairs, your whole frontal with. So for the wig itself, she comes in this adorable little jacket. What do you call this? Like a it's giving me garment rack vibes, but we're gonna get into that later. So the next thing that we have here is this little pouch, and inside the pouch we have a rat tail comb and 2 clips. And I also got this pink little portable mannequin head. So now back to the little clothing rack situation. When you open it up, you're gonna get this little order information sheet. You're gonna get 2 wig caps, and I'm so happy that it's brown. And lastly is the wig. So it is pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-everything, y'all. So right now I'm just gonna cut a little piece of the lace off to show y'all this skin melt witchcraft that's going on. Like, all I gotta do is just spray some water and put that bad boy on my forehead, and boom, lace wear, lace wear. Alright y'all, so right now I'm just trying to see how she fits, if I need to adjust anything and all that jazz. And I'm really liking the fit so far. I'm liking the look so far. All I gotta do is just tint the lace with a little bit of foundation and I'm Gucci. Obviously I washed it, so it's having a little bit of wavy texture right now. If you want to rock it wavy, then baby boo, do you. But I'm just gonna go in and make it straight again. And then I'm just gonna go in with my hot comb to flatten out those roots.
Come find me in the night. We both know when it's right. Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my way. Come meet me in the crowd. Everything is allowed. Your mind is running wild, but we'll do it my way. Love is a feeling, and you can quench this fire, no. So give me when I want it, baby, 'cause I got what you need. Just give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me,
Now that I'm done with that, I am loving what it's looking like so far. The wig cap, I wasn't feeling it. It wasn't looking like too or so natural to me. So I just took it off, and I also added some foundation to the lace so that it could blend in with my skin a lot more. So when I'm satisfied with everything, I'm going to go in with some gel, let it get a little tacky, and then put the wig in place. Y'all see that? Where's the lace? Where?
Love is a feeling,
So right now I'm gonna be working on my edges and it's sticking out a little bit, so I figured the best thing for me to do is separate it and blend it in later. So once I'm done with separating it, I'm gonna go in with my little scarf and tie my edges down. Period. Pull. So now that's dried, I'm gonna clean up my edges with some baby wipes and I'm gonna be working on my edges, and per usual I did one side for you, so we're gonna be doing the next side together.
Come find me in the night. We both know when it's right. Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my way. Come meet me in the crowd. Everything is allowed. Your mind is running wild.
Alright y'all, so that was it. It's looking really pretty, really natural, like lace wear. Excuse me, Lace who, I don't know her. She can't sit with us, like,
No. So give me when I want it, baby. 'Cause I got what you need. Just give it to me, give it to me. Oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, give it to me. Oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, give it to me. Oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, give it to me. Oh, give it to me now. Slow dancing in the night. Yeah.
alright y'all, so enough of me fooling around. That's it. I really hope you guys enjoy this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Way.